Is your creative process feeling a bit stuck? Are you spending way too much time editing videos, writing scripts, or just trying to get organized? Well, the world is changing fast, and whether you're a content creator, a student, or a business owner, I'm about to show you 5 incredible AI tools that'll save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. First up, an AI video creator. Imagine this. You have your pictures, your voiceover, and your big idea. This tool automatically turns all of that into a polished video with transitions, effects, and perfect timing. You'll never have to struggle with manually syncing photos and audio ever again. It's a game changer for anyone who wants professional-looking videos. Fast. Next, let's talk about writing. We have an AI writing assistant that's like having a professional scriptwriter on your team. Just type in your topic, and it instantly generates amazing scripts, video descriptions, and social media captions. Whether it's for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you get polished text, ready to go in seconds. No more staring at a blank page. The third tool is an AI photo enhancer. We've all been there, a blurry screenshot, a low-quality image, or an old photo you wish was clearer. This tool magically upgrades them into high resolution, sharp, and vibrant visuals. Your thumbnails and posts will become so much more eye-catching and clickable, making your content stand out from the crowd. Coming in at number 4 is an AI voice generator. This is perfect if you need a consistent, professional voice for your channel but don't have a fancy microphone or a quiet studio. Just give it your script, and it creates a smooth, natural-sounding voiceover. It's a lifesaver for tutorials, reels, or any content that needs a clear voice without you having to record it yourself. And finally, the 5th tool is an AI automation platform. This is your new command center for content creation. It helps you manage your entire workflow, from scheduling uploads and generating tags to creating titles and organizing your ideas. You can produce more videos with less effort and never worry about losing a brilliant thought again. These 5 tools work together to completely transform your content journey, helping you work smarter, not harder. No matter what your niche is, they give you speed, creativity, and control, so you can focus on what truly matters: growing your channel and making content you're really proud of. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, remember you don't have to do it all alone anymore. With the right AI tools, your work becomes faster, your videos look better, and your ideas finally come to life. These are the tools you've been searching for, and trust me, once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever created content without them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.